Alright, streaming again, but we're doing something different now. What is it now? Programming Paradigms assignment is pretty much done at this point, and we're now just going to try and get some work on a databases assignment. Doesn't look terribly difficult, basically just using relational algebra to acquire different things, and we're very fortunate that the professor has given us these databases here, as well as so we can test our answers. So CSI, what is the course code? 2132? Shite. Databases assignment 1, my name, and then exercise 1. A. Alright, find the store ID of stores that have fewer than 100 employees and are located in the city of Ottawa. That's fairly simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this right here, go into this, go to our group editor, add this relation, and preview. Beauty, should work fine. Supply, product, store, beauty. Okay, this already works. So query goes here. We are looking for store IDs of stores that have fewer than 100 employees and are located in the city of Ottawa. Okay, that's very simple. What we're going to want to do is that for store ID. How's it done here? Yeah, store ID. Why? Yeah, okay. A date? What's happening here? Member chapter. Okay, it's not updated yet to be used here. Group editor. Add new relation. Preview. Use group int editor. There we go. So store ID. Why are you giving me that? Expected Boolean expression, but oh shit. It's that one. Store ID. And then we go in here, and then it's the Boolean expression of fewer than 100 employees and are located in Ottawa. Employee number is less than 100, and city is equal to Ottawa. Group editor. Yeah, it's capitalized. Expected gamma. But okay. We'll use this AND operator. Boom. Why is city giving me a hard time? Equals equals? No, it should just be equals. We're looking at all the Boolean numbers here. Oh. Perhaps it's expecting it to be like this. Ah, it sucks sometimes. Help. Editor. Pi rho sigma tau. Oh shit, I'm being a dummy. So keep this all in a bracket here. This has got to be of store. All right, so that's that. This should be the, yeah. Expected Boolean expression, but found that. Let's try this for size, buddy. Okay, what are you doing now? Okay, let's just do this for now. Execute query. So this is going to be store. Let's not select store ID just yet, so we can actually see everything happening. Execute query. Stores that have less than and are in Ottawa. Nice. Group editor. Okay, yeah. So why is it giving me a problem when I do and as well? And city is equal to Ottawa. Typically that's how it was done before. There we go. Magnifique, and then we just put a... I fucking hate this thing so much. Store ID, beauty. Okay. So that should give us the right answer. Mint. Exercise, so we'll use the words built-in equation editor for this. Pi store ID. That's going to be sigma employee number is less than 100. And, oh, that's not going to work, is it? What is the and thing, the up arrow here? Have we got it? Basic math, Greek letters, arrows. Would it be in arrows? I've certainly got it for logic. Negated relations operators. Relational operators. What the fuck are all of these? Advanced binary operators. There we go. What's this one? Big wedge. Big wedge. Alright. Equal to Ottawa. This is going to be of store. Mint. Next question. Find the store name of stores that supply the product with the pencil with the P name pencil. Okay. P name, price, PID. Okay. So I'm going to want to do a natural join of supply, product, and store, and then select those where find S name, stores that supply the product, P name, pencil. Okay. Okay. So that's going to first be store and then natural join with supply and then natural join that with product. Take the, oh, what are you giving me some shit about? Shite. Yeah, that should be fine. Then we're going to want to go P name is equal to pencil. Execute query. So these are all the stores that supply pencils. Okay. Group editor. Is this legit? Where are pencils on here? Pencils have an ID of 1, so we got 1, fuck nowhere supplies pencils. Jesus. 3. Yes, there's only 3 stores that supply pencils. I'm guessing that's all down there. And then we can put this all in brackets gain. And only select S name. A, B, and E. Beaut. And that's what we're asking for here. Yeah, find the S name of stores that supply the product with P name. Pencil. Yeah, pencil. Okay. Any way to copy paste that in here? It's kind of ass though. I'll just put in the extra effort. PS name. Sigma. P name is equal to pencil. And then store. Do we have natural join in here? Should be a set operation. So what's that? Square times square plus. Interesting. Natural join. Join. Beauty. It's called bow tie. All right. Bow tie. Product. All right. And C, we're looking for find the S name of stores and the city they are located, such that these stores supply all the products that are supplied by the what the fuck? Oh. Find the S name of the stores and the city they are located, such that these stores supply all the products that are supplied by the store with the store ID equal to 0808. So this is typically for a for all statement like that. You typically want division. So let's go back to the tutorial here. The last tutorial was insightful on relational algebra. Query, relations, query, questions. Okay, no, it's going to be in the solutions. B, solution. I think this is it. Select, project, set difference, additional operator, division. No, you're not going to let me search in there either for... Why is it not searching? Some bitch. SQL. Okay, this is not related to what we were doing. Relational algebra A solutions. That's kind of basic shit. Let's maybe just think it through a little bit. Find the S name of stores in the city they are located such that these stores supply all the products that are supplied by the store with the store ID equal to 0808. Okay. So we can go into relax here and we can just do find all the products that are supplied by the store with the ID 0808. That's going to be store supply product. Yeah. Is it S name or SID? Yeah, SID, store ID. 0808. Peace. Oh, it's a string. Bro. You gonna juke me like that, bro? Okay, so we need to find every store that includes pen, eraser, and calculator. So that is essentially a division one. Okay, yeah. Because basically division is find me every single one of these Shibaloo. Find me every single one of these entries where this lines up to these products. Okay, yeah, so then I can select from here product name. Or P name. And then I can divide the results of all this shit put together. But only selecting it wants the shite. Where's the assignment definition? There it is. It wants the S name and the city. All right, so I need to select S name, city, store ID. Okay. Or S name, city, and then product. S name, city, and product ID, PID. And just to ensure, what's this? What's not defined? Error I189 is not defined. Okay. What about that? No. What about that? Piss off. Okay. X to temp. Is that the rename? R? Damn. Okay. Cannot temporarily store it. That sucks, big monkey wiener. Control V. I really wish I knew what that error message meant. Execute queries. This works fine. Then what we want, like we said again, we want the union of all these things gain. Divided by this. Schemas are not unifiable. I quite literally do it over here. These things are so ass sometimes. Piss. Alright. Expecting that, yeah. But we want to select, oh for fuck's sakes, store name, city, and PID. Okay. Where's the help thing? Oh no, what the hell have I done? Separate views, please. Oh, wonderful. Okay. Divisor. We'll set it equal to that. Sweet. Now, why didn't that work in the first place? That kind of pisses me off. This should work. It just doesn't. Oh, dummy? Store has a store ID. It should be able to do that, and then supply and product. Why is it being fucky wucky? I don't know. That's fucking wild. Control C or Control X, I guess. Because this is essentially the same thing. There we go. Sweet. All right. Oh, I've got a mutt here. All right. S name, city, name. I am looking for store bow tie. That is not how you spell bow tie. Fuck, I cannot spell bow tie. Store bow tie, supply bow tie. Yeah, bow tie. Product. I'm gonna need that again, so divise it by pi. P name. Sigma. Oh, my head is starting to hurt. 20808. Okay, that's not quite necessary, but it's done. Beauty. That's exercise 1 completed. Is this query? Oh, did they not? Damn it. Ah, damn it. Okay. Consider the following relational database schema that describes information about stores. Oh, I've already. Yeah, this is exercise 3. Okay. God fucking damn it. Fuck. My due dates suck, man. Oh, I just shot off a guitar pick somewhere. Hopefully the dog doesn't eat it. Especially since I've started to run low on those guitar picks. I have no idea where they started to go. CID is a attribute. CID is a foreign key to a relational schema company. Manager ID, which is a foreign key in the same schema, i.e. employees. EID is the primary key of employees. The relational schema, a company that holds information about companies, which the primary key is CID. And C, the relational schema shares that stores information about employees that have shares of companies, as well as the number of these shares. Find the employee ID of employees of a company named Google that have more than 500 shares of a company named Facebook. Let's see if I can just get this done conceptually. I do not want to work. I want a nap. Oh, man. Why the fuck are you not working? Come on. I just need to start typing. I don't I don't want to create a goddamn database so I can test my queries, but I also don't want to do my queries without having some sort of verification. Some sort of way to verify what I've put down here. To verify it later. I could ask ChatGPT to come up with some entries for a database. So I need to select EID. I'm going to need the select operator for that. Not that much. EID. Boom. Let's find the EID of employees of a company named Google. I have more than 500 shares in a company named Facebook. Okay, so I could probably just use select then at that point. That is Sigma. And basically it's employees. Okay, so I will have to think about this a little bit more. Because I was thinking, oh, just have company name is equal to Google or company name is equal to Facebook. And it's like, no, that's not going to work. Ooh. Okay, yeah, so what happens when I join these together? When I join employee and company name and a location basically got appended to employee. Because we match up according to CID. And so each employee is going to have their employee ID and then the company that they're a part of and then their location. But then when we do shares and company, we get a very interesting thing because it's only going to show up for CID where they match. So that's going to be... Oh, fuck. That's going to need to be like an open join on one end or something like that. Oh. Oh, my head hurts. Yeah, let's ask ChatGPT to make a few entries here. Can I get you to generate a few dummy entries for a database with this schema? Shift Control V. And I'll say that I'll need to be able to test these conditions. We'll need these dummy entries to test these questions. One, for please and thank you, XOXO. On using this in relax. On have to be in a format like this, and then I'll just give her the format. Ah, magnifique tabarnak, c'est bon. Alright, so hopefully this shit works. Looks about right. Not sure what all the spaces are for, but I'll take it. All right. Okay, beauty. Group editor. Oh, fuck. I didn't copy paste the right thing like a dumbass. Okay. That's why ChatGPT's all in comeuppets. Yeah. Okay. Damn it. Okay. Okay, so just got to reformat it a little bit. Because I forgot to do it properly, and ChatGPT had a fucking aneurysm. Well, ChatGPT couldn't do anything because I couldn't tell it what to do properly, unfortunately. Magnifique. No, shite. I'm so dumb. Like, I always do Control S to, to save something, like right before I run it, because I always typically, like, save in my code editor and then run from, like, a terminal. But I do that with, like, in web browsers. And I was like, you moron, bro. So I want to use group and editor beauty. No query found because it's not updating my goddamn what I want. Preview. Beaut. Alright. What happens if I just join all these motherfuckers together? Employee. Join. Company. Join. Shares. Skip query. Yeah. So this only shows the employees who have shares in a company that they are a part of. What if I do an open-ended share? Well, open-ended join with shares. There we go. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so what is this showing me here? Employee salary. Employee salary, employee manager ID, company name, company location, shares. Yeah, employee ID. 100, 100, 100. Okay. So this employee works for Google. Does he? Well, let's look at our group. Is there only a... Oh, no, there is one. 201 and 202. So what's this instance here? Yeah, shares EID 101, 101, 101. So this should show all the shares that employee 101 has in different companies. So 101 should work for Google, but he should have shares in other companies. Go to the group, we'll see if that's the case. 101, yeah, his company ID is 1. And the shares, yeah, 101 has shares in all of them. Okay, yeah, so I did need to use an open join. That's exactly the case here. Okay, thank you, ChatGPT, for making this way easier. Like, thank you. Thank you, ChatGPT. Alright, so what's up with EO2 here? Where does EO2 work? Unless he just only has shares in companies outside his company. Yeah, 102 works at Google. Yeah, and he only has shares in Facebook and Amazon. Okay. 103 works at 2, but has shares in 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Yeah, that seems to be what we're seeing here. Oh. Do I need to boost my mic a little? Should be coming in through here. Is this louder? Oh, it's a bit louder. What about this? Oh, that's like in the screw up your ears range a little bit. What about there? That seems a bit better. Hey, I think I've been a bit too quiet, so let's see if this is a nice new volume. Yeah, so this is pretty much what I was looking for. Let's go back to the assignment question. Find the EID of employees of the company named Google that have more than 500 shares in a company named Facebook. Okay, so that would be company.company name is equal to Google. And it would be shares. Alternatively, I could also arrange this so that we have an open share with company, and then we have a join like this with company and shares. There we go. Oh, no, that didn't work at all. So what does company and shares join? Company at CID and CID. And that's how they would share. Yeah, we've only got 5 rows. That is 100% not it. Maybe we leave open employees. Nope, that's still not it. What the hell? So if we join together company and shares, then they combine along CID. We should get one row for every share here. Yeah, the join should be 17 shares. Okay, good. But we want to keep company and shares all their rows. So a natural join, a join right should also work. Yeah, employee, and then an open share right. 17 rows. Yeah, that should work fine. So what's happening here? Ah, that's an interesting way that it's being sorted. Is there a sort function for this? Because I would like to sort by shares EID. I wonder. Let's go to help, see if there's a sort here. Because that would make it way easier to figure this shit out. So, no, remove. Control F, sort. You fucker, there's no sort? That's a horse's ass. Because now I have to go through and look for all the fucking instances. Okay, well, we already figured this out. If we do that sort of join and then we do an open join here. Still shit. Oh, that's 5 rows. What the fuck's happening here? There we go, 17 rows. Yeah, shares EID. CID. Yeah, company name. Should be employee.company name, that's fine. Oh, it's tricky. We go with company shares. It's cute, 17 rows. Yeah, that makes sense. It's by the company. It's sorted by company, essentially. It was already 9 o'clock. I might just leave this till tomorrow. Yeah, that sounds about right. I've already been streaming for roughly 50 minutes, an hour. Alrighty then. I'll leave this for tonight. Good night.